Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and let's show you this Royal Crown Derby 1954 Blue Aves serving tureen, a lidded vegetable tureen, classic Royal Crown Derby shape, little bit of rib moulding coming up around the sides here. Let's show you the lid first off. Beautiful rope moulded lid. Blue Aves is a exotic bird design. They made it in red and blue. The blue is the rarer of the two colours. We've done quite a bit of research on Blue Aves to try and establish the production period, and we can't establish anything from the records currently. But Blue Aves was a pattern that developed from Avebury designs from the 17th and 18th century, and we think Blue Aves was mainly produced from the mid-century through to the last quarter of the 20th century. It's no longer in production, but really offers fantastic value for collectors of Royal Crown Derby looking for something that little bit unusual and rare. A nice period lid. They went to the trouble of marking it. You can see the XVII or II marks on there for 1954, and the base again has identical 1954 green Royal Crown Derby Ormston Road marks. Beautifully decorated right the way round onto the base. It's almost best viewed from the underside this to get the full Blue Aves pattern on this particular design, because it's quite a squat lidded tureen. Nice and clean inside, as you can see, absolutely pristine. Similar tureens currently on the market and manufactured by Royal Crown Derby. Same size, same quality, £7.5 currently from the factory, and there's a range of them. Blue Aves isn't one of them. This hasn't been in production since the late 20th century, but it's absolutely superb. Great example of Royal Crown Derby. Porcelain china at its very best in an absolutely beautiful design. Blue Aves, lidded vegetable tureen. Incredibly, we've got two of them available, matching 1954 date stamps, and they're part of quite a large dinner service that's gradually being listed and added to the Vintage and Antiques website. So if you'd like to find out further details of this wonderful tureen, we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website listing, where you'll find all the sizes, measurements, more details on the history of Royal Crown Derby, and of course the all-important pricing. Thanks very much for watching.